In the course of our daily life, we meet lots of strangers. What are the chances of you having met someone who you share a common friend or someone who is a distant relative you didn't even know? Won't your city be a better place to live in to realize that you are connected to each and everyone in some or the other way? Won't it be interesting to know how exactly roads, buildings, and offices do not constitute a city? People do. Technology or infrastructure does not connect us, our interpersonal relations do. Namaste,
I am Raja.
and I am Bhargav. We come from India, where people from three generations stay together under the same roof. We spent our childhood in villages and moved on to the cities Pune and Ahmedabad for education. We secured our bachelor's degree in computer engineering and currently pursuing our post graduation in new media design from National Institute of Design India. Our experiences of transition from villages to cities helped us understand how villages and cities are related or different from each other. Back there in our village, everyone knows and relates to everyone else, just like a one huge family. We found it missing here in the city. Through research, we tried to investigate and understand mainly about cities, people and connections, and wearable tech. We found out cities are large areas inhabited by huge populations. People in city often find themselves surrounded by a crowd of strangers. People prefer places and other people whom they already know, whom they are familiar with, in order to avoid any kind of unpredictable encounters which might challenge their comfort zones. Inclusion and familiarity and kinship play a major role in people connecting to their cities. We synthesized our research with a metaphor of hug, which represents the essence of the experience of being connected. A hug is a beautiful way of extending personal space and allowing inclusion and building familiarity. Also, in busy urban scenario, wearable tech seems to provide the most suitable way of interfacing with the technology in an ambient, context-specific and unobtrusive way. So, how can we build a sense of familiarity between two strangers? How can we simulate the experience of a hug, which might lead to conversations, helping them to connect? How can we use the power of wearable tech to enhance this experience? Meet Linkers, a wearable wristband that unearths the hidden links between any two strangers, initiated by a special handshake. With Linkers, we wish to bring people closer by letting them know how they are directly or indirectly connected to each other by highlighting their common connections. With Linkers, we wish to propagate the feeling of brotherhood in the cities of tomorrow to make them a better, familiar place to live in. At San Francisco, we would like to put our experiential prototype of Linkus open for discussion with experts and other fellow designers and work on it to make it a reality. Thank you.